Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by verifying hardware and grabbing the right driver. Open Device Manager and expand Bluetooth. If no adapter appears, plug a USB dongle now. Once detected, note the adapter model so you download the correct driver from the manufacturer. Make sure to choose the driver that matches your OS version and 32/64-bit architecture. While you download, close other apps to avoid driver conflicts. This reduces installation errors and speeds the process. Proceed to the installer when the download completes. Now install the driver you downloaded. Right-click the installer and choose Run as Administrator to ensure proper permissions. Follow prompts and accept any driver signing notices. Once installed, reboot if the installer requests it. If Bluetooth still misbehaves, open Device Manager, right-click the adapter and choose Uninstall Device, then select Scan for hardware changes to force a reinstall. Also check Windows Update for optional driver packages. These can include stability fixes. Doing this clears corrupted driver. Finish by enabling Bluetooth in settings and pairing a known device to verify functionality. Put the peripheral in pairing mode, click Add Bluetooth or other device, and complete the pairing flow. Test audio or file transfer so you confirm two-way operation. If pairing fails, restart the PC and retry. Also try a different USB port for a dongle or temporarily disable Wi-Fi to rule out interference. One key troubleshooting tip: update the adapter firmware if the manufacturer provides it. This often fixes persistent connection or stability issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.